G'day guys, this is Nathan here at AllBrand Caravan Services. Just wanted to bring you here today to talk about your external lighting on the van. As you can see, I've got the test box set up and I'm actually testing this customer's lights in their free visual inspection that we do on every single caravan or motorhome that comes through here. And the first thing I've noticed is they've only got one light working on one side of the van and no lights working on the other side of the van. So what we're going to do is we're going to quote the customer up to replace both of these clearance lights, make sure they're working effectively and that they can be safe on the road and oncoming traffic can see them coming with the van. Guys, if you guys have any issues with your lights or anything to do with your caravans or motorhomes, you can always come on down, see us at AllBrand, or you can definitely leave a comment below in the comments section on Facebook and we can get back to you and sort it out. Thank you guys, have a great day.